So this is how I make $15,000 or 11,200 pounds when you convert this into dollars, which is $15,000 every single month in monthly recurring revenue. And these are all of my subscription. And unlike some of the YouTube gurus who just show you the fake screen of Stripe, these are actually my monthly subscription clients. And I don't want to show the names, but I can show the name of the hostings. Like this is website hosting, which is $197. I have $297, and I have some 97s. And I have some of the reputation management, which I provide to my clients as a service, which I'm making $497 every single month. If you want to have a passive income just like this, where you just have to deliver the service just for once and get paid every single month, then watch this video until the end. And this is the exact business model, which is bringing me $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue, where I find local businesses who don't have a website and I give them a free website. Either I give them a free website or upsell them, or just give them a free website and get the 97 to 497 monthly recurring revenue. Before explaining this business model, let's ask this question, why this actually works. And when you go inside Google and when you search for businesses, most of them either don't have websites or they do have a website and it's really outdated and clunky. Just to explain you what I mean by this, let's say Express Plumbing, they only have the direction, they don't have the website. This is one of the example. And Plumbing London, they do have a website. Let's see how it looks. There you go. This website doesn't show anything plumber related, any images or services. They just have London regions, lots of regions in London, and nothing else. And you can target these two clients who don't have a website or do have a website, and website looks something like this. And that's where we give them a free website, which is going to take you 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, it's going to take you 5 to 10 minutes to set up everything and start getting your monthly recurring revenue, $97 or 97 pounds, 297 or 497 every single month, as I showed you my Stripe account. Now let me show you how you can build a website in 5 to 10 minutes and start getting monthly recurring revenue, which is using a software called GoHighLevel. And I use this in my business to deliver the service like the website and host all those websites in my personal server. And when you get this software to deliver the service for your clients, and yes, if you want to access this software, I do have a 30-day free trial link. Link is in the description. And along with that, I'm going to give all these things like all the snapshots, templates, access to community and weekly coaching sessions totally for free if you use my link to sign up to GoHighLevel. But this is what I usually do. I go inside template and click continue, and whoever I'm targeting as a niche, I just search them on top of it and get the website, set it up, change the logo, change the domain name, and voila. The website is live. I'm going to get the monthly recurring revenue. And as you can see, these are some good looking websites. This is a waste removal website, and another one, a plumbing website. As you can see, it's looking really good. And dog grooming, HVAC, cleaning. And we have a construction website, which looks really good. And pressure washing website. There are like lots of websites, like good looking website. As you can see, clients will actually pay you $2,000 to $5,000 for this exact website. And this is what I usually do when I go inside like to pitch the service. First of all, I do lots of cold outreach, for example, cold calling, cold SMS, cold walk-in, like I straight away walk to the business, and cold Facebook outreach. I've already made lots of videos on how to do cold outreach and get more booked meetings. I will link those videos down in the description if you're interested. And this is what I usually do. After booking the meeting with the clients, I go inside the meeting, I show them my closing script, which you can get access to totally for free if you're using my GoHighLevel affiliate link or joining my community. And inside this meeting, I either sell the website for a monthly recurring revenue, or I upsell them for a 5-page website, because all the templates you have seen in GoHighLevel, they have multiple pages. So you don't have to do anything. You just have to change the logo and change the description of the website, or change the images of the website. If your clients have some images, you just have to change those. That's just going to take maximum like 10 to 20 minutes, along with connecting the domain name. So if you did manage to upsell these clients, you will be making $97 to $497 on hosting fees, and on top of it, you'll be making $500 to $1,000 on installation or setup fees. And you can package your offers with this suite AI agents with voice AI, conversation AI, knowledge-based AI, and content AI. And you don't need to like build anything. You don't need to code anything. GoHighLevel comes with everything. For example, you will be having calendar booking, website designing, payment processor, AI employee, and you can have the reputation management, which I have built and managing all of my clients for myself, which I will give it to you totally for free. But for the sake of this video, let's make it simple and just stick with the basic offer. Find local businesses who don't have a website or have outdated website. Sell them this free website, which is going to take 5 to 10 minutes of your life, and start stacking the monthly recurring revenue client. So when you think about it, when you get 10 clients who are paying you $97 or 97 pounds every single month, you will be making $1,000. And I'm pretty sure $1,000 every single month is a big deal. And you have to keep on stacking clients. Unlike other business model, you have to keep on looking for clients for the next month's paycheck. But for this, the 10 clients you got last month will be still paying you every single month, years to come. And you just have to do the same thing again and again, stacking more clients and making more money. And for example, this is one of my clients I got 30th of August 2024. And they have been still paying me until now. The last payment I got was November 30th, £297 every single month. And again, it's not dollars. Everything I'm getting paid is on pounds, since I get all of my clients from the UK. Now let's see what's the difference between standard website and our AI business model. Standard website, old model. Website goes live, low leads capturing, missed leads and low conversion. And the website designers charge the clients $2,000 to $5,000, and on top of it, they have to pay for the hosting fees, which is not a good offer, because clients don't want to spend too much money where they're not getting enough results from the service. And when you look at our model, lead capturing, we can upsell our lead capturing and instant lead follow-up with SMS and email automation, which is another upsell. AI conversation, yes, another upsell. Auto booked appointments, everything you're seeing in this, you can automate everything with GoHighLevel, which you don't need to do all kinds of crazy stuff, which we used to do on N8N. In GoHighLevel, you just have to click on the checklist and boom, automated booking appointments. Your client gets automated booking appointments, and you get to have the $297 every single month without even breaking a sweat. And this is what we do. Hire someone to deliver all these services. So all the things we saw in our AI website model, you can hire someone to set this up for you. It's already easier with GoHighLevel to set this up just by clicking a button, and you do have to do like some stuff in the beginning to set it up once. Once you have set up this for one business, you can just copy and paste it for another business. But in the beginning, it's going to be a bit tricky. At that point, this is what I would suggest you to do, is to hire someone to deliver the service totally for free. Yes, you heard me right. You can hire someone totally for free to set all these up. Let me explain what I mean by this. So this is our GoHighLevel software, and when you go inside the question mark and click on the Start Zoom, this is where you can find GoHighLevel experts who are trained in this software, who knows more than you and who can help you better than anyone else. All you have to do is click on the technical support, and then you have to click the within a sub account. So you will be giving each and every one of your clients their own sub account inside GoHighLevel, and you can have unlimited sub accounts. You don't have to pay anything on top of it. You can just create unlimited sub accounts. You can have unlimited clients. And after clicking within the sub account, and here you have lots of different options which we can sell from GoHighLevel. For example, let's say if you click on sites, and when you book a meeting with the GoHighLevel expert, the expert will set up everything for you. You just have to get client, and after getting the client, just set up a sub account and go inside the Zoom call. Ask the GoHighLevel expert to set up everything for your client. So you're hiring someone to deliver the service. You're getting the 100% money for yourself, and you don't have to pay for this expert. So this expert comes with the GoHighLevel subscription. And a lot of people get afraid about the GoHighLevel subscription, which is $297 a month. And this is the subscription where you can get unlimited sub account, and you can deliver all these services we just spoke about. Hear me out. So this is the subscription, $297, and you're delivering the free website. Let's say you're delivering free website to 3 clients. So in your first month, if you delivered 3 free websites, which is $97 each, that's going to pay for your GoHighLevel subscription. And anything you're making after this is 100% your own profit, and you don't have to pay GoHighLevel anything after this. The only thing you're going to pay is the $297. That's it. You're going to keep on stacking the monthly recurring revenue clients. You're going to start with $47, $97, and when you start upselling these offers, that's going to increase to $197, $297, or even $497 every single month. And you're going to start making money like me, where I didn't really get any clients for past 2 months, and I'm enjoying my life in Bali. That's how your life is supposed to be. This is the actual passive income, where you don't have to deal with client acquisition every single month or service delivery every single month. Sell the free website just for once, make use of the template, and hire someone in GoHighLevel to do the service delivery for free for yourself, and get paid from your client every single month. Lately, everyone is hyping about the AI or the software, where you need to ask yourself this question. Local businesses don't need fancy AI or a software. They just need a website which does its job to get leads, to turn the leads into a booked client, which GoHighLevel helps you with this. If you want to access this GoHighLevel software and start making your monthly recurring revenue, I do have a free trial, which I'll link it in the description, where if you use my link, you'll get access to all of my bonuses, all the snapshots, templates, access to my community, and on top of it, weekly coaching calls directly from me. And if you want to work one-on-one with me to get more clients, I do have started my personalized coaching sessions. At the moment, I'm just helping 2 members at a time, because I don't have enough time to deal with my clients, my YouTube, and my Bali life. And if you are interested in personally working one-on-one with me to start getting more clients as quick as possible, click the link in the description and book your discovery call, and I will see you guys in the next video.